Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 79 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, we're creating the Gala Manhattan. This cocktail is exceptionally elegant, and it's an ultra-premium variation of a Manhattan because we're not using a standard orange liqueur, but the Gran Gala Liqueur. To start, we will use our base spirit, which is a bourbon. I have selected the Wild Turkey, which is 116.8 proof. This legendary powerhouse provides a very robust high-rye note, as well as deep charred oak and some lovely baking spices. Now we will use 2 full ounces of our Wild Turkey rare breed. For our velvety modifier and our really special ingredient for this evening. To elevate the fruit profile of this Manhattan, we're going to use Gran Gala Liqueur. It features a rich, velvety brandy base versus a neutral spirit. It will provide a very weighty and velvety mouthfeel, as well as some very complex orange character. Now we will use 1/2 ounce of the Gran Gala. You can tell it's silky just watching it pour into the glass. For our Herbal Foundation, which is so important for this type of Manhattan, we are going to pair the Gran Gala with the Cocchi Sweet Vermouth. This is a very rich and historic vermouth that's going to coat our palate with this amazing, deep, dark cocoa and berry notes. Now for this, we will go 3/4 of an ounce of the sweet vermouth. To bind this very elegant structure together, we will use 2 different bitters. First, we are going to use the Angostura Aromatic bitters. These will lock in the baking spices from the bourbon and also tame the orange liqueur just a tad. We will use 2 dashes of the Angostura. Second, we will use our Aztec chocolate bitters. These are going to act as an amazing bridge to pull the chocolate out of the vermouth as well as the oak from the bourbon. We will match this with 2 dashes of the Aztec chocolate bitters. Next, we will add ice and stir for about 25 to 30 seconds to get proper dilution on this. I will do that and then rejoin you. That is very well chilled. Now we will strain this into our coupe glass. And express an orange peel right over that. Oh, those orange oils just look amazing. And then we can drop this right into our glass. Of course, that expressed orange peel is popping up right away with this lovely citrus note. I am getting some really nice deep dark oak notes as well, and some hints of dark cocoa. Cheers to the Gala Manhattan. The first thing you notice is this amazing silky velvety texture that feels just delightful as you sip on it. Now that rare breed is bringing this pop of black pepper that is really a nice balance to the orange liqueur as well as the sweet vermouth. But probably one of my favorite sensations I'm getting is mid-palate. I'm getting this dark chocolate, almost like an orange has been dipped in dark chocolate. It's just amazing and I'm loving it very much. There's also hints of some rich stone fruit that's coming from that vermouth. It is kind of this cornucopia happening in your mouth that is just fantastic. Now next week we're going to shift it up a little bit. We're going to take a very classic cocktail, the old fashioned, but we are going to make it a little spicy. It's going to be the Chilean spice old fashioned. I do hope you'll join us for that as well. Now, this week, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have the most amazing Thirsty Thursday, and take a moment to stir up the Gala Manhattan. I think you will really enjoy it. Cheers.